Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to change your Robinhood account's password. Changing your Robinhood account's password is quick and easy. If you're watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by clicking open a web browser and in the URL box type in robinhood.com and press the enter on your keyboard. From your Robinhood account home screen, first, go to the Accounts button at the top right. From the expanded menu, click Log Out, and you'll end up in the Login area of Robinhood. Enter your email or your username, and then click on Forgot your username or password link right below. Enter your email one more time on the next page, and click on Send Email. An email will be sent to the email address that is displayed on the screen right here, so go ahead and click Open a new tab and go click Open your email. You should receive an email from Robinhood. Click it Open and a reset password link will be sent to you. Click it on, which will open up a new tab. Enter the new password that you would like to change to for your Robinhood account. On the next field, type in the password one more time in order to confirm that you are typing the password correct. You can double check your password in both of the text boxes by clicking on this eye icon so that you can reveal your password before moving on. After you're done, click on Reset Password and your Robinhood account's password will be changed. Now click on the Login button, enter your credentials one more time. While entering your password, remember that you have recently changed your password, so make sure to type in the same password that you just changed to and click on Sign In. And with this, you've successfully changed your password for Robinhood. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with some more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.